Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I asked a couple of days ago if you want to see me recreate someone's makeup, and I put on my Instagram story, would you like to see a Nikki tutorial or a James Charles? And the votes were unanimous and you all wanted to see James Charles. So the look that I am going to recreate from one of James's fantastic looks will be right up here. So fingers crossed it goes okay, because anything could happen. So let's get, so the first thing I'm going to do is the eyeshadow for the look. It's very purpley, so it starts from the eyes and down here, purple lips. So I am going to use my Glitter Junkie palette, and I am going to use this colour purple. I'm also going to add from my MUA palette this purple right here, but dropping everything. But I am going to start with this palette. So I am going to get a fluffy brush, a MAC fluffy brush, and I'm just going to get as much excess off of it, and I'm just going to start with the eyes. So I'm just starting at the crease, and then just working, because it looks like he's done it all, but again he's probably got better . So it goes to the crease like I've got a black eye. It does the nose. I'm hoping this turns out well, because so far it looks like I've got a black eye. So again, do the same. Get under. It goes all the way down. That's what I mean. His looks so professional. Mine looks like I've been battered. But so it does look awful at the moment. Hopefully it will look so much better. So yes, a little bit of pink. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink. Hopefully that will make it better. There's hope. So I'm just put it dots everywhere, just to brighten this up so it doesn't look like I've been battered. So just to make it more galaxy than anything. Up here. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter colour. Again, just breaking it out. So I'm going to go in with this colour. So I'm going in with the Mint Pink highlighter from Primark, and he does the corner of his eyes. Like so. He does his nose, the top here, just bring it out a bit more. It's very, very galaxy. And then I'm going to do up here. Like so. And then he does up here. More here. Again, it does look like I've been, oh god, battered a lot. So now we're going to move in to the white, and we're going to do like the stars and the shooting stars, and so we're just going to do dots. We're going to do a dot here. And then more dots. Just around it to make it better. Do like a little star on the corner. Just carry. Now we've done that, we are going to move on to the lipstick, and I will be using Jeffree Star's cosmetic lipsticks, and I will be using I Am Royalty out of it. So hopefully this can bring it back. So I like these because they're small and they go on so well. Because I've got small lips, so that is lipstick. Now again, go back in with the white and then just add little dots. Because you can't really see the whites on my lips, I am going to use some silver glitter, and I'm going to use the Glitter Chic Glitter Fix Gel to put it on. Maybe you shouldn't put it on your lips, but it's only for this tutorial, so don't panic. So I'm just going to get the glitter. And then just put it on my lips, like so. I know James didn't do this, but my lips are very, very small. So I thought just by adding little bits of glitter, I thought that. So this is the finished look. It's not exactly James' style, but it's near. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you want to see more recreation videos, then definitely let me know down in the comment section below who you would like me to recreate next. So I'll see you again very soon. Bye my butterflies. Galaxy far, far away.